how to enable or disable notifications on app icons on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in settings, scroll down and click on notification. So you will see notifications is here. So click on notifications. Now here, so click on advanced settings. So after click on advanced settings, scroll down and click on app icon badges. So after click on app icon badges, so you will see notification on top. No notification on app icons is here. So if you want to enable notification on app icons, so turn on this button. So after turn on this button, you will see notification on app icon is enabled. So if you want to disable notification on app icons, so turn off this button. So after turn off this button, you will see notification on app icon is disabled. So you will enable or disable notification on app icons from here. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can enable or disable notification on app icon on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.